Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the shifter cable on a Ford Ranger. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and a pair of jack stands. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface. This guide will help you achieve smooth and precise gear changes, making your driving experience much more enjoyable. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Now, let's find the shifter cable. Begin by placing your Ford Ranger's transmission into the neutral position. Next, carefully locate where the shifter cable connects to the transmission itself. You will see a bracket with the cable running through it. On this bracket, identify the adjustment nut, which is typically a 13mm nut. This nut is key to making the necessary adjustments for proper gear engagement. With the cable located, it's time for the adjustment. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen the adjustment nut on the cable bracket. Once loose, gently push the shifter cable fully forward into the bracket. This ensures the cable is at its most extended position. Now, while holding the cable in place, securely tighten the 13mm adjustment nut. This locks the cable into its new, adjusted position. After adjusting, it's crucial to test your work. Start by cycling through all the gear selections, from park to first, ensuring each engages smoothly and without resistance. Pay close attention to the park position, confirming it holds the vehicle firmly. Finally, verify that your Ford Ranger will only start when the shifter is in either the park or neutral position. This confirms a successful and safe shifter cable adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.